Okay. Either I mixed it or Tommy mixed it. I don't know. I can't remember. That doesn't look right. I'm beginning to think that Tommy might have mixed this. Because I don't see the pattern to finish it up. Well, I'll keep looking. I mean, it looks like it, but then it don't look like it. No, that's not it. I know what I'm looking for, but I think Tommy mixed this up. Very funny, Tommy. I'll just have to solve it. No problem. I'll solve it. I can solve it. But I need to put this up higher. Okay, while I was taking out the trash and taking a shower and putting the peanut butter up. Okay, very funny, Tommy. Let's try this. Do the red. Like I tell everybody, even the Foltz, right, Foltz family, that I always, once I get the top down, I go faster. Okay. That is the right color. Alright. Check all angles of the illusion, so to speak. Check all angles of the Rubik's Cube. Alright. Okay, this goes right. Okay, that's not red. This is red. That goes over here. No, one more over. Red. This goes over here. And then this goes over here. Okay, well, no, actually, that don't go there. It goes over here. Yeah. And this comes over, see the red, white, should go right. Green, red, white, green is right here. And this, got one more color. And it took me a while, I kept looking all over, you know. I normally would solve it quicker, but now, and then I realized, oh, I see. The color is on the side, it was hiding in plain sight. But in this case, it's not, so I can, somewhere on the bottom. Red, right there. Alright. Now, to put everything in. This goes over here. Okay, it's in its place, but just flip it around. Alright. I'm not even watching what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, that goes right here. I might have had it down like that, and nobody saw what I was doing. Alright. Although live at the church they can watch me easy. Okay, now they got the top done. Mr. T, the A team and everything else. Alright, now I can go quicker. And then this goes over here. Whoops, wrong direction. Then this goes over here. Yeah, right there. And this goes over here. Oh, you know what? I was supposed to do the bottom corners first. Oh well, doesn't matter. Okay, got that done. Normally I do the corners first and then do the middles. It didn't really matter. Okay, but the top you do got to get done so that the patterns will come out right on the bottom. Alright. See, look for two done. These two got to switch. Okay, now this pattern. Now let's look for a pattern. Now let me look. Let's see, does that look like it's gonna... Yeah. Ta-da! See, Sandra, he could do it. I could tell he was doing it different because he was doing something like this, going like this around in circles every time, even though it was mixed. And then he did something else, and then he would go like this. And eventually I could see the whole thing slowly getting done. And I said, I could see it halfway done. He said, yeah, I got it halfway done. I mixed it really good too, so he was doing a different kind of pattern. He was doing something like this all around it. Mine is to get a top, get a color line, get the bottom corners, get the middles. Sometimes I get the middles. I used to get the middles and then do the corners and then here. But I find it's much quicker to get this part done and then the corners, then the middle, and then do the bottom middles, because I find it's much quicker that way. But if you don't get the top done and you trying to get the middles and the bottom corners, the pattern on the bottom won't be right, because you got some down here that needs to go up here, and here that needs to go down, that's down here. If you got stuff up here that's down here or in here, then if you're trying to look for the pattern on the bottom to try to get the bottom done quicker, it ain't gonna work because the pattern won't be there. But if you get the top done, then it doesn't matter if this is in the bottom or this is on well, you know what I mean. It doesn't matter when you get to this point. You can get the middle first, or you can get the bottom first, or you get the bottom last and the bottom middle, whatever. Oh, it's hot? Yeah.
That's right, 4 Saturday.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that does keep you warm. It's nice and warm. As seen on TV. You got one of those. If showed on camera, show what it looks like. It looks like one of those government UFOs.
Wait, they turn thing off.
It looks like one of those government UFOs. It's a heater that goes around your neck.
Yeah.
You got one, for the summer you got one that's got cool, like air conditioner one.
Yeah.
Now this is a heater one.
Yeah. It's great.
Yeah. Kind of like one of those government UFO ideas. Even my razor looks like a TR-3B flying triangle. United States Air Force top secret. United States. Let me try this. CIA USAF top secret flying triangle. I'll get it right. It works on mercury propulsion, Tesla's anti-gravity idea combination. I find it interesting that that we had to get rid of all the mercury out of thermometers or anything that has mercury in it, including mercury light bulbs, and we went to LED everything and digital thermometers. I thought, I said, Bob, I bet the government had a shortage of mercury to fly those top secret aircraft that work on mercury propulsion, the TR-3Bs, flying triangles, that they told the household to get rid of all the mercury so they can use it for their flying triangles. And Bob said, yep, I believe it, Bill. The, the government works in a mysterious way. See, we do illusion misdirection, and the government does misdirection. Yeah, I know. It's like the traffic lights. And Bob said, yeah, someone must be a magician because the black art lighting idea, dead black against dead black is having a shadow, and any bright color stands out. Because the LEDs didn't stand out good with the yellow, so they painted it all gray or all black. And if you see yellow, there's usually either a gray or a black background to either way to make the colors on the traffic light stand out. But a long time ago, when they had regular light bulbs, the traffic lights were it didn't matter if it was yellowish, orange, or whatever. The colors work. But when we got the LED lights, it didn't stand out right, especially where the sun is real bright. Now that it's a bright white light instead of a yellow light now, because it's God's timetable. God opened the ozone layer. Because it's God's timetable. God's right around the corner. There'll be wars and rumors of wars. One more government, Catholic society. Well, you get the idea. Children get smarter way early than ever before. Everything's automatic. Mankind can't hide. Well, you get the idea. Water polluted, food polluted, viruses and plagues. Cashless planet Earth. You can't tell the seasons. Already they're mixing Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween together. Jesus said, when I get close to me coming back, watch for all these signs. We don't know the time, hour, minute, second, year, but we know it's close, the way things are going. Get saved now while you get a chance. Because the ones that didn't hear the word of God, they will still have their chance. But if you had your chance when Jesus comes, it's just too late and you didn't get saved. But too late. You had your chance. And to the fiery pit you go. Boom! And you burn forever and ever and scorch, and you'll have all your habits. You'll crave it but won't get it. If you're an alcoholic, a smokeaholic, or whatever habit you have, you will always crave it and always have the habit, and you'll be tortured forever and ever. It won't be fun. You can't even see past your face. For the worm dieth not, be gnashing of welling of teeth. That's why important is get saved and go to heaven where it's peaceful. And the new heaven's going to be shaped like a cube. That's why I believe that God let Rubiks come up with this idea, so us Christians will get used to the new heaven that's guarded on all sides by angels on all four sides for a symbolism for protection of the new heaven. It'll be shaped like a cube. It'll come down on the new earth. Same earth, just remodeled, Pastor Cole says. He'll turn the sun extra hot and burn the earth up and remodel it. And as Pastor Mike Astor says, we'll get to see Genesis all over again, but with our own eyes, not just having faith. We'll see it happening. Anyway. So the sun was yellow and now it's a bright intense white light, because God's timetable, he knows he's in control of everything, including who he puts in the White House, and all material resources goes back to God, including the Empire State Building, Pastor Mike Astor says.